Yeah, hello. I quickly create a chatbot for my Upwork support, and basically the idea is that this a free chat base. This is the website on which you can give the data, and also you can provide the data like from the website. First of all, you have to provide the link of the website from where you have to crawl all the data. So I give the link from the support upwork.com, and it extracted 10 links because it's a free plan, and also 400,000 is the limit of the free. But anyhow, when the paid, so the limit is the limit will be high. And after that, when they fetch the data, so the concept behind it is the after fetching the data, it will train the model, okay, based on your data given. By the way, you can also give data in XML or CSV form on the data set. Here you can give the link of it, and after that, when it's well created, when it's well trained, then you can use the chatbot. So this is the chatbot I just created, and while quickly going into the insights of these tabs, this is the setting. You can actually customize the settings like giving the name, and also the buttons, the colors, security leads, like from where they will contact you, all of this stuff, and the model. So also you can retrain the model, and the notification, and after that, like the integration, you can integrate this to the Zapier, to the Slack workspace, to the WhatsApp, and you can also embed it into the sites, like in a coding you can embed it into your sites. So you can copy this code, script and iframe, and then you have to embed into your sites while in a coding level, and you can share it. So share it with the link with other people's. So when I click on it, you know so this is actually the website, the chatbot. So just quickly testing. Hi. Okay, so now I will ask the questions: how to create Upwork agency. Basically it's trained on support articles, so all the data is extracted from the Upwork support. Now, yeah. So C, to create a work agency, you can follow the steps. So they give all of the informations, and also you can disable this by clicking by clicking the leads. This is in the leads, so you can disable it. By the way, when some people will the main important thing is the dashboard. So this is just now. So when peoples will use your chatbot, so all the data will be stored here on the on the dashboard. So this is the data, the response, and when someone give the information, like the name, the email, the phone number, so it will also store here on it. So this is the quick overview of my project. Thank you.